Are you craving a calmer, more focused life but feel constantly weighed down by the clutter around you? What if I told you that the piles of stuff in your home aren't just taking up physical space, but also draining your mental energy, increasing your stress levels, and affecting your emotional well-being? In this video, we're going to explore the powerful connection between clutter and your mental health. Backed by psychological research and expert insights, we'll unpack how visual chaos impacts your mood, focus, productivity, and even your relationships. But more importantly, you'll learn simple, science-backed steps you can take today to declutter your space and experience the emotional freedom and peace of mind that come with it. Whether you're struggling with a messy room or feeling mentally overwhelmed, this guide will help you reclaim control of your environment and your mind. The science of clutter. Clutter might seem harmless at first glance, but it actually has a powerful psychological effect on your brain and emotional well-being. When you're surrounded by visual chaos, scattered objects, piles of clothes, disorganized shelves, your brain has to work harder to process all that information. This constant overstimulation can overload your cognitive system, making it difficult to focus and triggering increased levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. Research shows that this sensory overload not only contributes to heightened anxiety but can also lead to irritability and mental exhaustion, especially when the clutter is chronic or uncontrolled. Another hidden cost of clutter is decision fatigue. Every item in your environment presents a small decision: where it goes, whether you need it, what to do with it. When your brain is constantly bombarded with these micro-decisions, your ability to make even simple choices begins to wear down. You might find yourself struggling to decide what to wear, what to eat, or where to begin a task, not because you're indecisive, but because your environment is overloading your brain with unnecessary options. Over time, this drains mental energy and significantly reduces productivity. Beyond aesthetics, the deeper impact of clutter. Clutter isn't just an eyesore, it runs much deeper than visual mess. In fact, research shows a strong correlation between clutter and mental health challenges, including anxiety, depression, and even symptoms associated with OCD. When your home feels chaotic, your mind often mirrors that chaos. It becomes harder to relax, focus, or feel emotionally stable, and the constant reminder of disorganization can lead to feelings of guilt, shame, and helplessness. For individuals already struggling with mental health issues, clutter can worsen those symptoms, creating a harmful cycle that's hard to break. But the impact of clutter isn't limited to your mental state, it can also take a toll on your physical health. Studies have linked cluttered environments to disrupted sleep patterns, frequent headaches, fatigue, and elevated cortisol levels, the hormone your body releases during stress. The overstimulation from mess, combined with the frustration of navigating through it daily, can create chronic tension in both the body and mind. Even your immune system can take a hit when stress levels remain consistently high due to a cluttered home. And let's not forget the effect clutter can have on your relationships. Decluttering is more than just cleaning. Decluttering goes far beyond just cleaning your space. It's a meaningful practice that can positively impact your mental and emotional health. Central to this is the philosophy of minimalism, which encourages living intentionally by focusing on what truly brings value and joy to your life. Minimalism isn't about having less for the sake of it. It's about making mindful choices to keep only the things that serve a purpose or hold genuine meaning, helping you create a clearer, calmer environment. A key part of decluttering is the ability to let go, to release items that no longer benefit you, whether emotionally or practically. Letting go doesn't mean throwing everything away or embracing emptiness. Rather, it's about making space for what matters most. This thoughtful process frees you from the weight of unnecessary possessions and allows you to reconnect with what truly supports your happiness and well-being. Importantly, decluttering should be seen as an act of self-care. By organizing your space, you're actively creating a peaceful, stress-free environment that supports mental clarity and emotional balance. This process helps reduce anxiety, increase focus, and build a sanctuary where you can relax and recharge. When you approach decluttering as a way to nurture yourself, it becomes a powerful tool for improving your overall quality of life. Practical tips for decluttering. Decluttering can feel like a daunting task, but breaking it down into clear, manageable steps makes the process not only easier but even rewarding. One of the most popular and effective techniques is the KonMari Method, created by organizing expert Marie Kondo. This method focuses on sorting your belongings by category rather than by room and encourages you to keep only those items that genuinely spark joy. It's a mindful approach that helps you build an emotional connection with your possessions, making it easier to let go of things with gratitude rather than guilt. Instead of a simple chore, decluttering becomes a transformative journey. To stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed, it's important to design a personalized decluttering plan. This means dividing the process into smaller, achievable tasks such as sorting clothes, books, or paperwork one category at a time, or dedicating specific days or weeks to different rooms. Having a structured plan helps reduce decision fatigue and provides motivation through clear milestones. Another effective tip is to declutter one area at a time. Trying to tackle your entire home in one go can quickly lead to burnout and frustration. Instead, focus on small zones like a drawer, a closet, or a desk surface. These focused efforts provide quick wins that build momentum and confidence. Over time, these consistent, bite-sized steps will transform your living space into a calm and organized sanctuary that supports both your mental clarity and overall well-being. Reclaiming your space. Reclaiming your peace. Once you've started decluttering, it's time to focus on organizing and maintaining your space to truly reclaim your peace of mind. Creating a visual guide for yourself can be a game changer. This means arranging and storing your belongings in a way that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Use clear containers, labels, and smart storage solutions to maximize your space while minimizing clutter. When everything has a designated place, it becomes easier to find what you need and put things away, reducing the chance of clutter creeping back in. Living in a clutter-free space offers powerful benefits beyond just cleanliness. Studies have shown that an organized environment boosts your mood, increases productivity, and improves overall well-being. When your surroundings are calm and orderly, your mind feels more relaxed, creative, and focused, which helps reduce stress and fosters a greater sense of control in your daily life. To keep the benefits long-term, it's crucial to maintain your decluttering momentum. Make decluttering a regular habit by scheduling short, consistent sessions, whether weekly or monthly, to reassess your space and let go of items that no longer serve you. Developing simple routines like putting things away immediately and limiting new purchases can help prevent clutter from accumulating again. By staying proactive, taking control of your space, taking control of your mind. Clutter isn't just about physical mess, it deeply impacts your mental health, emotional balance, and even your relationships. Understanding the psychology behind clutter reveals why it can cause stress, decision fatigue, and feelings of overwhelm. But the good news is that decluttering is more than just cleaning. It's a powerful act of self-care that can help you reclaim your peace, improve focus, and boost your overall well-being. By applying mindful strategies like the KonMari Method, creating a clear decluttering plan, and taking small, manageable steps, you can transform your space into a calm, organized sanctuary. Remember, the journey to a clutter-free life is personal and gradual. Celebrate every small victory and be gentle with yourself along the way. So, take that first step today. Clear the clutter, clear your mind, and open the door to a healthier, happier you.